You can tell the air conditioning top was installed incorrectly after coil cleaning, when the unit runs poorly, leaks, or makes new noises that were not present before. After coil cleaning, start by visually inspecting the top for gaps, misalignment, and missing or loose fasteners. Use your palms to feel for air leaks around seams while the unit is running, and watch for uneven airflow from vents. Check for unusual vibrations by placing a hand gently on the cabinet. Vibrations often mean mounting screws are loose or panels are misaligned, and tightening fasteners in a crisscross pattern will stabilize the assembly. Listen for rubbing, scraping, or high-pitched whines, which usually point to contact between the fan and housing or a shifted motor. Power the unit down and spin the fan by hand to verify clearance and straightness. Confirm drain paths are clear and properly seated, because a poorly seated top can redirect condensate and cause pooling or external leaks. Tilt the pan slightly toward the drain and press fitting joints until snug. Verify electrical harnesses and control panels were returned to their original routing, so wires are not pinched or chafing, which can cause shorting or intermittent faults. Secure harnesses with clips or cable ties, leaving slight slack for vibration. Finally, perform a basic performance check by measuring intake and return airflow by feel, and by noting temperature drop across the coil, aiming for a typical 5° to 20° Fahrenheit differential, depending on system type. And if the drop is abnormal, power down and recheck assembly and coil contact. Common mistakes are leaving one or more screws finger tight, which causes panels to shift under load and produce noise and leaks. The quick fix is to systematically tighten all fasteners to manufacturer torque or snug, but not over-tightened. Another issue is misaligned top that alters airflow and stresses the fan, leading to premature bearing wear. Remedy this by loosening the top, realigning along mating faces until seams are flush, and then resecure in a cross pattern. A third frequent problem is improper drain pan seating or blocked condensate lines, which creates water on the cabinet or at the unit base. Clear the line, reseat the pan, and run a water test, and if leakage persists, reposition the top and confirm the pan slopes correctly. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare job types, so we can match your assembly concern with pros who handle coil and top reassembly. We also give contractors a place to find work and join a discussion community on our site where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from real job experiences.